Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to verify your Epic Games account. So first, I want to say that I have already verified my Epic Games account, but I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how to verify your account. So first, log into epicgames.com, and then after logging in, click the profile name that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, click the Accounts tab. The Accounts tab will open this informations. Here, as you can see, I've already integrated or input my email address here, and it is already verified. But I'll show you how to verify your email address or your Epic Games account. Just click this icon here where you need to edit or enter a new email address. By entering a new email address or by inputting a email address, Epic Games account will send a security code that will verify your whole account. And just simply click the continue button here, and that's it. That's how you can verify your Epic Games account, and thank you for listening.